welcome to the channel. Yeah, I think I've done a few videos and just one thing. I think one take is just easier to do it. So this video, which will be coming out, it will be about the Suzuki Swift. And this would have been done when I was just cleaning it and giving a review of the car, everything like that. But yeah, so check out the video. It's just a walk around, explaining about the car, would I buy it again, how much I spent on it, and I'm most probably will get $1,000 for it. So I'd rather be honest with it, and it's a good car for deliveries for whoever buys it. So yeah, cheers. Yeah, carry on, like, subscribe, follow. So the next video, so there'll be a clip after this of me walking around the car explaining it. But yeah, sound. Yeah, I have cleaned the car. Still, you can see this car's still bad. It needs a full wheel refurb. It's a lot better than what it was before. I found a nice spot, so before I get kicked out, I showered that. Oh, doggy's there. So yeah, this is the car. This is a Suzuki Swift. I've been dailying for around about a year. I think I said I'd do another video on it. So what I think about the car, how it is. I'll just do a quick walk around. So yeah, so as you can spot, the guy's got red calipers painted fronts, and he's done the drums, which is a bit of a weird thing. But he's also got these exhausts, which are not the best. I think he's done an aftermarket exhaust on it. So yeah, comes with this spoiler, as you can see, and yeah, it's a nice car. It's daily. It's a 56 plate 2006. It's a Suzuki Swift 1.5 VVT. Sorry, it's a bit nippy. It's a quick car. Yeah, you see the curb wheels are curved. Nice cars. It comes with alloys and decent car. Like, it's really like fern green or like Oxford green. It's got keyless entry, which is really nice. So you could unlock the cars, everything like that. Excuse the mess. Famous Justeats bag. So yeah, CD unit, steering controls on there, and it's keyless entry, so you just switch on easy. Front and rear mirror, windows. No, sorry, on the front. My apologies. And yeah, black cloth interior, 4-door. Actually, a nice car. It's decent. Nippy as well. I've had it for a year now, and yeah, let me just get a video. So yeah, just a quick brief video. What do I think about the car? It's a decent car. It's okay. It's good for dailying. I use this for deliveries. Just quickly try to get pictures of the car, because this car is going for sale. I think when I do this video, most probably will be for sale when I put it up. You can see you got fair share of wear and tear on it. Bumper scratched. Yeah, it's got a dent here, as you can see. Someone's hit this. This was before I bought it, so yeah, and it's got a dent here, so someone's literally gone to the side of it. All in all, like the car's a decent car. I'll show you. It's a 1.4, so is that keyless entry here? It's a manual, and yeah, steering wheel controls as explained. So open the bonnet. Try a little video of it. Oh, these things always is gonna say. And this is damaged. There's curb marks there. As you can see, these are bad there. And yeah, those tires will need changing. Crack there. see. Yeah. And there's curb marks there. And there's lack of peel there too. So it's clean, but you see more. This is a problem when you clean a car. You see more dirt, damage. There's a crack in the bumper there. And exhaust needs. Okay. Yeah, that's more there. So yeah, the car's clean. Happy with it, but yeah, I'm not sure we'll get rid of it now. So yeah, there's a video of it. Get a thumbnail of it. And so still can't even get that dirty. So yeah. So yeah, that's the bonnet open. This has just been cleaned. I just gave it a quick clean, good wash. I know some people say we should, but good wash of any dirt which is on it. So yeah, this is a nice car. It's a 1.5 VV. It's quick actually. They're nippy cars for what they are. It's 100 and they're 100 and let's get this on stone chips. 125,000. Yeah, the wing mirror is a bit not a fan of these, but yeah, you see it. It's 125,813. Decent cars. Yeah, full heated, aircon. Excuse the car's a bit dirty, but yeah, does its job. Good sound system. But yeah, just a quick video of it. And what's my opinion on it? So, what's my opinion of this car? Ooh. Would you buy another one? No. One information about these cars: they're famous for head gasket screwing. So, this head gasket went on the car, and I had to buy a new engine for it. So it's cost me a lot of money to fix. It cost me, let's say, it cost me $1,000 to get the engine, swap it over, and then I done pads. Well, so, oh yeah, alternator and what do you call it? Fan. I think auxiliary fan went on it. So it was a bit in a pain a few times. So I bought the car for 1,300. After 2 months, I decided the engine would pop. So that cost me another $1,000. Pads 100. I think it was like 50 or 80. And then it cost me 400 quid for alternator and fan. So yeah, at the moment there are a few issues with it. It needs an oil service, and what else it needs? It needs new control arms. I'm gonna put 2 used tyres on the front before I sell it, and then yeah, I think that is. It does need oil service. It's got like I think a lambda sensor needs to be replaced on it, which I'll tell the owner. But other than that, it's a decent car. It's a nice car. It's just about time I got rid of it. As there's another car I have which I'll be using, which you'll find out. So yeah. But yeah, just a quick review of the car, of the Swift. What's my opinion on it and how I found it, how I liked it, and but yeah, cheers. So finally, this is sold. I'll tell you what I sold it for. I sold it for $850. Yeah, obviously it has its issues. It was wheel bearing issue on this one. Yeah, this is gone. This is officially sold. So that's that one done. Glad this is gone.